How's it going, guys? We are working on my FRS again today. This time we are installing the FactionFab Rear Shifter Bushing. The stock bushing is dainty and super soft, so this is going to help stiffen things up, clean up the sloppiness in the shifter, and improve the driving experience. Now, it is a direct swap, so you don't need anything else. It comes with everything that you need to do the install. It's pretty simple install. The first thing we need to do is get the car up in the air, and then I'll show you what to do next. We're going to lower the drive shaft to give us a little bit more room to work by removing these two 14mm bolts here. Now we need to remove the two 12mm bolts that are holding the stock bushing in place. Now you can pull down on that shifter bushing and slide it off by pulling it towards the back of the car. Now we can install the new bushing back in its place. With the new bushing slid on there, now we just need to bolt it up using the included hardware and get the drive shaft reinstalled, and we're set. It's that easy, guys. If you take a quick look at the two, you'll see why this is gonna be a nice upgrade. Like I said, the stock one is super dainty. The rubber is soft enough for me to squeeze with my finger. And this one is a nice solid bushing that is gonna be much more stiff. If you guys wanna pick one of these up for yourself, link is down in the description. If you guys have any comments or products that you'd like to see installed on this car, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next time.